100-pound person around with me. All those old farts. Whoa. Where's my boat going?
Now go back down.
Looks like it works.
It worked once. Got me back on the
You
boat.
can honestly say it works. It's pretty damn sturdy to me. Probably too sturdy for a sailing thing. Not supposed to work that good.
Yeah. I believe in overbuilding.
Yes, I do.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Out for a test drive in our new car. Yeah. Does it seem sluggish to you? Huh? Yeah. Not a bad little car, though. There's our boat. Sun's beginning to go down. Out strolling in our new car. We found dolphins on our first dinghy ride. Awesome. No, they're coming towards us. They're flying towards us. The dolphins were actually feeding on a school of fish and following them. We tried to keep our distance away and enjoying watching them swim after the fish and chase the fish. And of course all the birds were chasing the fish also. What a way to end our first dinghy ride with a beautiful sunset and the dolphins. Couldn't ask for a better out. Pulling back into our boat with our dinghy for the first time was a neat experience to land it and be able to get off our dinghy. But what a beautiful shot of our boat with the sunset. Take my drone up for the first time over water. I have flown it, but it's been a while. This is the Fort Pierce Inlet in Fort Pierce, Florida, and you can see we're not very far off the actual inlet with our marina. You can see the markers that mark the channel to come in, and this takes you to the ICW, where you can continue either north up towards Vero or south down towards Stewart, Lake Worth, or Lauderdale, whichever way you want to go. The island here is called South Hutchison Island. It is an actual island. And there's lots of little restaurants and bars and hotels and condos and beaches and stuff to do on the island. There shows you the inlet, and then that's the Atlantic Ocean. That inlet looks calm on this view, but there are many days that it is very rough and rocky, as we have found out going in and out of it. And then you have all this waterway to explore back in here. It's a little shallow, but it's great for the dinghy. Back to the marina, and this is Firefly, our boat. She's a 1987 Morgan 41 Classic. With our drone, we found a cove to go check out. So we take the dinghy for a ride to check out this cove. And it is just stunning back in here. Quiet, peaceful, and it's a manatee zone. We didn't see any, but it was a really neat place to go check out, and we want to explore some more back in here. Got a little rain cloud coming in as we come back out of our cove. There's the inlet. Sun rays in the cloud. Another first for us. We took the dinghy over to this beach and beached it and took a walk down along the beach. It's time to head back to the marina, and as you can see from this recent drone footage, our marina has gotten full with everybody coming south for the winter, getting ready to go to the Bahamas. So it is a very crowded marina as of today. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Hit the notification bell and the like or comments. We are also on Facebook and Instagram, so follow us on those pages also. And continue to watch as we start all of our first, as we begin to sail out and adventure around, and we will see you soon.